You don't need to cut the bracket if the speaker is too thick. Install 8 screws equally. Don't screw it too tight, otherwise you will break the speaker frame. Buy 5mm EVA foam sheet. Cut the foam sheet to the gap size and install it. Cut it into pointy shape to get in easier. Go around 2 layers. Now install the speaker to the door. Perfect size. Speakers come with thin foam. Cut a foam into a good size to fit in. Turn around and cut the edges. Install the speakers. Match the original screw holes. No need to drill new holes. Put a piece of foam sheet in between trunk bars and speakers to stop the vibration noise. Also in between bars. Tape or glue thin foam sheet at 4 corners of the covers. Then speaker covers sit nice and firm. Done. Prelude.